Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today we're going to talk about how to make display adjustments on your Windows 10 machine. Whether you want to change your screen resolution, adjust brightness, or just tweak text size, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's access the display settings. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Yes, anywhere. It's like magic, but with a mouse. From the context menu, click on Display Settings. This will open the Display Settings window. From here, you can adjust several important display options. Let's break them down. To change your screen resolution, scroll down to the Display Resolution section. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available resolutions. Windows will usually recommend the best option for your display, and this is what I typically do. Just leave it to where it is, but you can select another resolution if you want. Once you've chosen a resolution, click Apply. A confirmation prompt will appear. If everything looks good, click Keep Changes. Otherwise, you can revert to the previous setting. No harm, no foul. It's like trying on sunglasses and realizing they're not your style. Next, let's adjust the brightness. In the Display Settings window, look for the Brightness and Color section. Use the slider to increase or decrease the brightness level. This is especially useful if you're working, like let's say in a dimly lit room, or just trying to conserve battery on your laptop. If you'd like to make text, apps, and other items larger or smaller, go to the Scale and Layout section. Use the drop-down menu under Change the size of text, apps, and other items to select a scaling percentage. Keep in mind that increasing the scaling might make things easier to see, but it could also affect how some apps look. If you are using your computer at night, you might want to turn on night light. This reduces blue light, which can help reduce eye strain. You can adjust the intensity and even set a schedule for when night light turns on and off automatically. That's a pretty nice feature. Think of it as mood lighting for your screen. And that's it. Those are the basics of making display adjustments in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.